Business today is fast-paced, highly competitive, and more demanding than ever. Your distribution solution must enable and simplify all your business processes. Eclipse simplifies the most complex distribution processes found in today's dynamic supply chains. It's more than pick, pack, and ship. It's a robust, intuitive ERP solution designed to empower your employees, build efficiencies, and help you boost both your top and bottom lines. Eclipse is not just another software solution. It's a comprehensive tool designed to streamline your business operations and elevate your efficiency to new heights. With both on-premises and Eclipse Cloud deployment options, your business security, agility, and performance are high priority. We understand the unique challenges faced by businesses in different industries, which is why Eclipse is tailored to fit your specific industry requirements. Whether your business resides in plumbing, PVF, HVAC, or electrical, or any other specialty industry, Eclipse is here to support you every step of the way. From managing your front counter to optimizing your warehouse processes, Eclipse covers it all. With features like work queues, job management, advanced warehouse management, and contract pricing, you can rest assured that Eclipse will meet all your needs seamlessly and efficiently. Our commitment to you is unwavering. We are dedicated to listening to your feedback to design solutions that meet your current and future needs. With Eclipse, you can trust that you have a reliable partner by your side, ready to help you succeed in the ever-evolving business landscape. Request a demo today to learn more about what Eclipse has to offer.